The Dragster name is not a casual nod. It's a manifesto. It speaks of stripped-down quarter-mile purpose. But here, it's interpreted through an Italian lens. This isn't American brutishness. It's Milanese haute couture translated into carbon fiber and forged aluminum. First, the stance. The Dragster's posture is a masterclass in visual tension. The combination of a radically shortened tail section, a wheelbase of just 1300 mm, and that iconic, gargantuan 200-section Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 rear tire creates an illusion of the bike being perpetually coiled, ready to spring forward. The visual mass is pulled rearward, anchored by that tire, making the front end look unnervingly light and predatory. Then, the minimalism. The tail is a mere punctuation mark, ending abruptly behind the rider. The headlight is a sinister, slitted cluster, but the true stroke of genius is the absence of a front fender. The forks are exposed, raw, connected directly to a minimalist fork brace. This isn't an oversight. It's a deliberate removal of anything that softens the machine's mechanical honesty. Every component is forced to perform aesthetically as well as functionally. Beneath this exquisite skin lies MV Agusta's piece de résistance, the 798cc, inline 3-cylinder engine. This is not merely a power plant, it is the soul of the machine, engineered to deliver a specific emotional payload. With a 140 horsepower at 13,100 RPM and 86 Nm of torque at 10,100 RPM, the numbers are impressive, but reductive. The magic is in its character. The inclusion of a counter-rotating crankshaft is pivotal. This engineering marvel, typically reserved for Grand Prix machinery, mitigates the gyroscopic effect of the wheels, making the bike shockingly quick to tip into corners. It's a tangible technology you feel in every flick of the bars. The power delivery is a curated experience. Below 5,000 RPM, it's docile, almost polite. Cross that threshold and the triple inhales deeply. A linear, urgent surge builds into a frenetic, metallic howl as the revs climb towards the 13,500 RPM red line. The soundtrack is a unique harmonic blend. The low-down grunt of a twin, married to the top-end shriek of a 4-cylinder, all channeled through that artful 3-into-1-into-3 underseat exhaust. This engine doesn't just produce power, it produces theater. This is where the Dragster RR's contradiction becomes sublime. Its looks scream uncontrollable hooligan, but its chassis whispers racetrack pedigree. The tubular steel trellis frame, coupled with that single-sided aluminum swing arm, provides a rigid telepathic connection to the contact patches. Suspension is fully adjustable, top-shelf Marzocchi forks, and a Sachs shock, allowing you to tune out the brutality for canyon carving. The Brembo monoblock calipers biting on 320mm discs are not just powerful, they offer sublime feedback. The riding experience is intensely physical. The riding position is committed. Rear set pegs, low bars. That massive rear tire, while visually dominant, requires genuine effort to steer, making the bike feel deliberate and planted mid-corner. The wind-blasted speed is punishing. This is a bike for short, violent bursts of pleasure, not continental tours. It is demanding. It communicates every nuance of the road for better or worse. You don't simply ride the Dragster, you are interviewed by it. Every journey is a question. How much can you handle? MV Agusta's motto is motorcycle art. With the Dragster RR, this is most evident in the details only an owner would truly know. Look at the 10-spoke sand-cast aluminum wheels. They are architectural, lightweight sculptures. The clutch cover is a piece of milled aluminum art. The digital instrument cluster, while not the largest, is a jewel-like display of information. Even the key is a weighty machined billet object that feels like it should unlock a vault, not an ignition. The exposed chain final drive on the left side, contrasted with the single-sided swing arm on the right, creates a beautiful asymmetry. The seat, narrow and trimmed with meticulous stitching, is as much a styling cue as a comfort item. These aren't features, They are declarations. They tell you that cost and practicality were secondary to vision. So what is the final assessment of this rolling provocation? The 2015 MV Agusta Dragster 800RR was not, and never could be, the best motorcycle in a conventional sense. Its rivals, the Triumph Speed Triple, the Ducati Monster 1200, were more practical, more comfortable, often more reliable and easier to live with. The Dragster existed for a different purpose. It was a passion object. It was for the rider who valued emotional resonance over objective superiority, who saw a motorcycle not as transport, but as an extension of their own identity. It was a testament to a time when a small, storied Italian manufacturer could build a machine with utter disregard for compromise. It was flawed. It was expensive. It was demanding. It was breathtaking. In a world of increasing automation and emotional detachment, the Dragster 800RR stands as a fierce, beautiful reminder that true art doesn't ask for your approval. It demands your attention, challenges your skill, and, if you're willing to listen, reveals a piece of its relentless, obsessive soul. Thank you for joining this deep dive into mechanical artistry. If you found this analysis compelling, please consider subscribing for more detailed dissections of the machines that define our passions. Share your thoughts on the Dragster or suggest our next subject in the comments below. Until next time, remember, some machines are built for the road and others are built for the legend.